A VPN, short for Virtual Private Network, is a privacy protection tool that is quickly becoming a must-have. But why do you need a VPN, and how does it work in the first place? A VPN helps your data travel through the internet safely, without big companies or cybercriminals being able to spy on your online activities. Also, a VPN swaps the real location of your device with a new one. This way, you can virtually travel to any country around the globe. So, who can benefit from a VPN? If you're worried about your online privacy, a VPN makes sure your identity and private information are not exposed when you go online. If digital security is your top priority, a VPN gives a nice additional layer of security. It encrypts your data so nobody could see what you send and receive. If you are a human rights activist whose freedom of speech is restricted, a VPN helps you to bypass censorship and speak to the world. Or, if you're on holiday in another country, with a VPN, you can bring your home entertainment anywhere you go. Here's a pro tip: check out Surfshark VPN. It has everything you need in a premium VPN, awesome speeds, and industry-leading protection that covers all of your devices. All you have to do is click Connect. Secure your digital life and enjoy everything good that the internet has to offer with a VPN you can trust.
Click link in the description and get 81% discount for your first order. Making the paper rolls. Take out a sheet of newspaper. Divide it in half. Take a half of the newspaper and divide it into another half so that when you roll them, it won't become too big. Use a dowel or broomstick to roll the paper up into a tube. Once rolled, glue it so that it doesn't come apart. You can either make it thin by pulling the rolls close together or make it wide by not keeping it firm. Make sure all the rolls are equal, as they only look good when the same size. Make 8 rolls in total. This will be sufficient for all 4 sides of the photo frame. Make 4 notebook paper rolls. Use the notebook paper to make rolls by following the same rolling steps. Coloring the rolls. Take any color paper you want. Roll it around 4 of the newspaper rolls and adhere it to the newspaper roll. Repeat for the other 4 rolls, but use a different color that complements the first color. Then use a different color again for the notepaper rolls. For example, make the first layer red, the second layer purple, and third layer red. Of course, you can design it any way you want. Paint the rolls if you'd prefer that in place of adding colored paper. Attach the rolls to the photo frame. Glue the drawing or picture to the cardboard backing. Add the paper rolls to the image. Arrange these carefully as a border around the picture. Glue in place. Trim off any remaining cardboard if it's showing. Cover any holes between the rolls by sticking flowers, plastic, or paper over the top. Or spread glitter or glitter glue in an interesting pattern. Done. Make sure the drawing, if it is one, is sparkling and beautiful, because the picture is more important than the frame.